All right, I have the iPhone 11 Max Pro, and then I just got a case for it. As you can see right here, it's a silicone case. It's an unboxing, and I'm just gonna put it on. It's an iPhone 11 Pro Max silicone case, as it says right here. And on the back, it just shows just what it is right here. It's a silicone case, as you can see. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up, all right? This case cost about 39 bucks, as you can see right here, all right? Just gonna go ahead and open this up right here and pull this out right here. As you can see, the silicone case. I got the silicone case because it has a little bit of grip to it, whereas the leather or the other cases just did not work too well for my liking. You had the OtterBox, it was too thick, and the leather was just too slippery, and so I have this. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm just gonna go ahead, take this, slide it up into the top like this, and then once it's in the top, I'm just gonna push it down, and there is the case, all right? You can see right there is a little square for the cameras, and